In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. So in order to do that, once you're on your home page, at the bottom menu, click on Trade. And then right at the top menu here, scroll and click on Buy, Sell. Make sure you're on the Buy tab and then enter the cryptocurrency you want to buy right here. So we're going to select BTC. Also, you can choose your currency right here. So you're just going to choose the currency of your country. And then you can enter the amount you want to buy either in your currency or in BTC. You can just switch right here using this arrow. So let's enter some amount in ZAF. So let's say we want to buy 10,000 ZAF worth of Bitcoin. And we need to select a payment method. You're just going to click on this arrow right here to select a payment method. So you can see different payment methods available right here. You have the mobile money because we choose the ZAF currency. You have the Visa, you have a card, and so on. So just go ahead and select your payment method and confirm. So when you do that, just click on preview order. And then you just need to enter your phone number in order to confirm your payment, and then you'll be able to purchase some Bitcoin.